I'm Corbin Titus, and this is my bike check. I've got the 2012 Kink Barrier BMX bike. I've got, starting up the top, these are the same bars that were on it, but just in different color, because on my last bike I bent a pair of bars and I got these ones for free. I got the ODI long necks, the Sabrosa bar on and front tire. It's a duo tire with a Alien Nation black sheep rim, emission components, Echo hub. The forks a Kink Strife. I think I bent these ones. Coming down here, stock seat. It's a pretty nice seat. It's comfortable. I believe these are Mission cranks. Odyssey PC twisted pedals. These are limited edition ones. Got the Kink decimal sprocket on here, 25 tooth, a stock chain, and I've got on the back the same setup as on the front, I believe. It's all stock. It's got a really nice hub sound for stock, I'm sure. Yeah, so there's my bike check. Oh, the stem. It's Mission Talon stem. And that's about it. Bye.